All right, question number 2. One team member on the El Toro professional basketball team, Antonio Cusack, was inadvertently left off the list. Antonio Cusack played for 2,103 minutes. Question A. Use your LSRL from problem number 1, part A, to predict how many points Antonio Cusack scored in a season. So our LSRL, if you look on the front page from part A, was y hat equals 0.59x minus 208.74. Now we want to find out what is the predicted value for 2,103 minutes. So y hat's going to equal 0.59, but we're going to replace it with his minutes played, which is 2,103 minus 208.74. And go ahead and plug all of that into your calculator exactly how you see it. So here's our calculator, 0.59 times 2103, end parenthesis, minus 208.74. And we get an answer of 1,032 baskets, our total points scored. The decimal doesn't make sense here because we can't score 0.03 points or 0.03 baskets. So we're just going to round that to the nearest point, which would be 1,032. And question B. Now use the LSRL that you found in part 1, part H, to predict how many points Antonio Cusack scored in the season. So that LSRL was y hat equals 0.41x, and you can see this on the front side, minus 64.46. Same thing, we're going to plug in the 2,103 for x. And then go ahead and plug this into your calculator. Go ahead and let me know what you get. And we get the answer of 653.49. So that's actually quite a bit different. We've got 1,000 here and 653 here. And I should, once again, the decimal doesn't make sense. So we should round that answer to just 653. That 0.49 will round it down. Question C, which answer do you think is a better prediction of the amount of points Antonio Cusack scored in a season? Explain. I would take anything that has a good explanation for this one. For me, I'm going to look at the other people and see what they did. So if I'm looking at my graph and I'm looking around the 2103 area, so 2100 would be right here, and I look up at my other data points, they're all well under 1,000. So I would say that there's probably a good chance that this person didn't get over 1,000. So in that case, I would say that the second LSRL is probably the better prediction. All right, so I wrote 653 as a better prediction because it is closer to the actual results of his other teammates. So it's closer, it kind of fits more in line with what his other teammates did. Plus, we're not taking into account the outlier, so there's a really good chance that that's going to be a better prediction if we're not counting the outlier anyways. All right, thank you very much. Hope you guys understood all of this. And if you do have any questions, feel free to email me. I might get a chance to look at emails, at least if not tonight, over the weekend. I can help you out with anything that you need. Or go to tutorial after school today.